Seeing an access denied error when you try to extract a file with 7-zip. This usually means Windows is blocking access to the folder, file, or drive you're working with. In this tutorial, I'll show you several simple fixes, starting with the safest ones, so let's get into it. First, try extracting the archive somewhere else. Right-click the archive, open the 7-zip menu, and choose Extract to. Select a simple folder you control, such as a folder inside Documents or your desktop. Avoid protected system folders for this test. If you're working from a network drive, external drive, or cloud-synced folder, copy the archive to your local computer first. Then try extracting the local copy. Connection problems or restrictions on external locations can sometimes cause access errors. Next, try running 7-zip with administrator permissions. Open the Start menu, search for 7-zip File Manager, right-click it, choose More, then Run as Administrator. Select Yes if Windows asks for permission, and try the extraction again. If the error continues, check the permissions for your destination folder. Right-click the folder, choose Properties, then open the Security tab. Make sure your Windows account has permission to write to that location. If you're using a work or shared computer, an administrator may control these permissions. Another possibility is that the archive or destination files are being used by another program. Close any applications that might be accessing them. You can also restart Windows and try the extraction again. A simple restart can clear temporary file locks. If Windows security is blocking the file, check the archive's properties for a security warning. You may see an unblock option for files downloaded from the internet. Only use it if you trust the file and downloaded it from a legitimate source. Also make sure the destination drive has enough free storage. If Windows can't create the extracted files, the process may fail. Open this PC and check the available space before trying again. If you still get access denied, try downloading or copying the archive again. Use a trusted source, save it to a local folder, and extract it there. If other archives work normally, the problem may be specific to that file or its location, and that's how to troubleshoot the 7-zip access denied error. Try a different folder, move the archive locally, run 7-zip as administrator, check permissions, and make sure Windows isn't blocking the file. So work through these fixes one at a time, and you should be able to identify what's causing the restriction.